Hi guys, my name's Gill Meller. I'm a chef and food writer and I'm sat here in the garden. It's a lovely day. I'm hoping the rain holds off for long enough so I can cook you this fantastic pizza in the Ooni Karu 12G. It's basically my take on a margherita with a slight little twist. I'm taking whole bulbs of this lovely garlic and roasting it until the flesh becomes so soft that you can squeeze the puree out over the top of the pizza base. So there's your everyday tomatoes, and then there's these. These heirloom varieties are so sweet, they've got so much flavour, and I would always choose them at this time of year because they're in season, they're growing. So get out there, hunt them down, they'll make your pizza 10 times better. I'm also wood roasting the tomatoes, so instead of making a classic sauce, I'm going to cut them up. Put them on a tray with marjoram and thyme and salt and pepper and olive oil and roast them gently until they become so intense and soft that the flavour is just gone through the roof. I'm going to scatter those over the wood roast garlic puree, top it with some torn up milky mozzarella and a grating of really nice mature cheddar cheese from just down the road. It gets finished with some good olive oil and then it goes into a very hot oven. We're looking for around 400–450 degrees, so really quite hot. It'll take about a minute to cook, by which time we'll whip it out and we'll be ready to tuck in. For this and other recipes, head to ooni.com.